Hello, viewers. You're watching Sarah's Secret Kitchen. Today we made white karahi. It is very easy to make. It is very tasty and chicken is soft and delicious. It was so delicious that our guest said a line before leaving. Everyone can make karahi, but the real one, which is called white karahi, is made by only a few people and you have made it. When people like the food, all the tiredness of one who cooked it goes away. Here I have taken 2 cups of oil and 5 onions which I have finely chopped. If you don't want to chop them finely, there is no problem. You will blend them later. After that, we will add ginger and fry it well. Once all the ingredients are very nicely fried, we will put them into the blender jar and blend them well to make a fragrant mixture. Now our whole mixture is ready and we are going to blend it well. So all the spices have been blended now. Now we will put all the mixture back into the karahi and fry it well. We will keep frying the masala until oil start to appear on the top. When the oil comes out, we will know that the masala is perfectly cooked. Now we need to add the remaining spices. As you can see, oil has appeared on the masala, so it's completely ready. Let's add other spices. In the spices we have cinnamon, curry leaves, black cardamom, cumin seeds, white pepper, coriander powder and salt. Now we will add all the spices to the pan and roast them well until their aroma start to release. Here we will feel that our mixture is well roasted and releasing very nice aroma. Add the washed chicken to it. Here you need to wash the chicken thoroughly with vinegar and water. Adding salt is optional but make sure to clean it well as the vinegar helps remove impurities effectively. Our chicken is well roasted. We will add yogurt to it and mix it in thoroughly. Try to whisk the yogurt before adding it. If you don't whisk it, the yogurt will remain lumpy. So make sure to whisk it first. So here when you feel that your yogurt is well cooked and releasing oil in very well way, then you need to cook it for another 2 and 3 minutes so the chicken becomes tender. As soon as you feel the chicken is cooked and soft and very juicy, then you will add here cream. Cream here add only 1 cup. When you add cream, do not cook it for too long, just mix it gently into the dish. After mixing, let the curry simmer. Keep the flame on very low but do not turn it off completely. Our delicious white curry is almost ready and it giving off such a wonderful aroma. Believe me, it turning out so juicy and creamy that just looking at makes your heart help with joy. After letting it simmer, when I lifted the lid, the oil had released beautifully and the appearance of dish was absolutely perfect. You can see here. You can see all the ingredients were mixed perfectly and nothing was sticking out. The blending is smoothly. Gradually the karahi turned out beautifully, became very creamy. You can make it just like this if you follow all the tips and tricks. So if you want to make it exactly the same, you can follow this recipe step by step and inshallah you will really enjoy it. If you like this recipe, please subscribe and don't forget tell us in comments how you like this dish. Thank you so much for your love and support. Allah Hafiz.